Okay, now we're going to look at the remainder theorem. Okay, it's very similar to the factor theorem. Okay, so if you had a factor, alright, let's say x 2x plus 1, and then they asked you, okay, if I divide this quadratic equation, now I know what my factors are for this. It's x plus 1 and x plus 2. Alright, so so if I divide this quadratic equation by this factor, linear factor, what's the remainder I'd get? Alright, you could do long division. Okay, divide this by this factor here. Alright, but you could use the factor theorem, which is a quicker method. Alright, so this is the rule you need to follow. Alright, similar to the factor theorem, you take this value which is attached to the x, that's your a value, and then you divide that by this value that is attached to this x, and then you change the sign, basically because you're trying to achieve this. So x is basically a negative half. Okay, so if you forget what to do there, just try to equate your factor to 0 and see what x is. So you got to substitute a minus half into this, and you'd see what the remainder is. Okay, so you get a 3/4 when you substitute minus half, and that's the remainder. Okay, that's what you'd get if you had divided this by this linear factor. Alright, now let's see what we get when we do that. Alright, okay, so we got the same results when I divided this quadratic by this linear factor. I got a 3/4 again. Alright, so I hope you found that helpful. I'll see you soon on the next video. Bye bye.